So my name is Mike Goddard. I work at Surrey Satellite Technology Limited down in Guildford in Surrey in the UK, and I'm the Optical Systems Functional Manager. So for the Truth project, I am the AIT manager for the payload, so that will be assembly, integration and test. Our job is to basically build the cameras that go on the spacecraft, making sure that they are delivered on time, in spec and to budget. So I studied mechatronics engineering down in Stellenbosch, close to Cape Town in South Africa, and was very fortunate that I landed a job at an engineering company which exposed me to aerospace and optics from a very early on phase of my career. I worked there for about 4 years before moving up to the UK and managed to work at Google for a couple of years, have now moved back into aerospace and optics down at SSTL, and been really exposed to different areas of involvement on those projects, all at the cutting edge of technology, which was very exciting. So I think the biggest challenge for Truths here in the UK is that the optical design, i.e. the mirrors and the prisms and the lenses of the system, are incredibly complex in the way that they all fit together. Such a complex system has not been built here in the UK before, so it presents a unique challenge in how are we going to align everything and get everything positioned just right. Even at SSTL, where I work, we are in the small satellite business, and so Truths is going to be very beneficial for us in terms of helping us to calibrate our images once they are up in orbit, in space, taking pictures to make sure that the quality of the imagery is to a very high standard. So I think regarding non-technical skills that are really important in this career path is just having a general inquisitiveness. So wanting to ask those important questions on, how does it work? Try to understand things. If you don't know, ask is a really important factor. I think if I could go back and give myself some advice, particularly very early on in my career, it would be don't be proud. And what I mean by that is be proud of what you do, but be humble. There are, of course, areas of your career where it's important for you to step up and to speak out when necessary. But it's also very important to realize those periods where actually you just need to put your head down and do your job.